in the sky.
Cat's where it's at.
Lizard on the wall?
Gee, gotta work on those rhymes.
It's Luna that's gotta work on stuff, like learning that crime doesn't pay. What do you mean, just teacups? I'm having a moon tea party. They're perfect. Let's hit the road. Tea party boogaloo. Party's over, Luna. But I was just getting started. And my surprise guest is here. Uh-oh. Whoa! Gekko! Hey! Tea party is a go. Too bad you're not invited, bird brain. Guys, you take Matsuki in the moth. I've got Luna. I'll show her. Ha! How about I be the teacher tonight? Lesson 1, basic flying skills. Bird won't be bothering us anymore tonight. Uh-oh. Shall we? Now that's what I call a tea party.
Wow, cool flying.
Oh, there's more.
You've stopped us spinning into outer space. What could make you fly better than that?
Teaching Luna a lesson. And getting those teacups back, of course. Catboy, take the controls and go distract Luna. I'll swoop in from behind. Charge me up! Did I really think I'd invite a mangy cat, a loopy lizard, and a... Surprise! Hey! Tea is served!
Why, thank you!
How's that for a flying moon? I prefer this one. The turkey twirl!
Owlette! At least we got the teacups. Come on, let's get that tea set back where it belongs.
Teacups, schmeacups. That was fun.
We go to Fortress? Party games?
Sure thing, little sis.
What?